Hello, Hiram Rizvi.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
Okay, yes, I'm also good. Fantastic. So I think you didn't got your mobile phone yet.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
I was saying like you didn't get your mobile phone yet.
It's still not good.
Okay.
Sir, it is of Vivo, so it took so much time. That the service center said that it is very difficult that it will be repaired or not. They are also not sure about because they are searching for I think some uh, screen or any kind of part, but they didn't get.
So your mobile was so old?
Yes, sir. It was very old version. I got in
Okay,
ninth
because
class,
of this,
starting of
I
ninth
think.
class. And yes, sir.
Yes,
And now I
maybe.
am in second year of law. So
Hmm.
it was very old.
Yes. Because there are lots of university works also there. There are some groups and assignments and some important works in the mobile phone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. So today I send some books, PDF books, which is self-help books. So do you read self-help books or only history, politics, or all these books?
Sir, I only read history, politics, but if you send, I will definitely read it, inshallah.
Okay. No, just yes. If we are students, so we are reading history, politics, geography, everything. But sometimes you want just to learn something or read something else. So most of the time, I was also reading some self help books or story book to just relax your mind or just learn something new.
Sir, during holidays, I read not complete, but half of one of the novel. The novel name is The Blue Castle, and it was amazing. Um and it's a story also. I think it's about a girl who suffers her whole life in loneliness under restrictions of society, and she got her medical report, and in that mentioned that she had hardly maybe 1 week something. um, After that she died, she will die. So she decided that now I took the decisions of my life and enjoy my life. So I read it and it is interesting.
Okay. Yes. So like in a week, one day you are reading. Okay. Good. Amazing. So we are waiting for others to join. Now it's 4 minutes. So yes, 9:35 we will start our class. Okay, let's wait 1 more minute.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Yes. So today is Saturday, and on Saturday, basically, we are doing a debate session, and also we were. It is a revision day. I just make the Saturday as a revision day. Whatever we learn in the entire week, so we can revise all the chapters, all the grammar to, because revision is also important. If you are learning and you are not going to revise, you are going to forget everything.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because
Absolutely correct.
when I was learning English speaking, so yes, there was a ma'am, and she was also like revising all the chapters. There was one day, Sunday, or Saturday, or Friday, but there was one specific day for the revision. Okay, so this is the good habit which we have to develop also.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I think no one is going to join today. You are the only one, and we are going to proceed our class. Okay. So wait 1 minute. Let me share the screen.
Okay, sir.
Yes, because if you are here, so we are not going to waste our time. Let's start. Hmm. Yes, there was Abu Bakr. So, like his examination is ongoing. So, if the examination will end, so he will also start joining the class. But today I
Okay,
got
sir.
only one message. Okay, today I got only one message. Yes, so it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
WhatsApp screen is visible.
okay. So I was telling like today I got only one message. Like Hamdan said, like I can't join today's class because there is no electricity and there is no charge in my mobile phone. So and Iram, yes, Iram Khan also told like 2 days I'm not going to join the class because I have some assignments or test or class related to the college. Okay. Yes, and if I can see like Sheikh Asif is also his grandfather is not well, so he's in the hospital right now. And yes, Madiha Chaudhary and Hamdan Khan, they both didn't send any message, and they are also not present there. So I don't know what's happening. Let's check. Yes, today is Saturday, and tomorrow. Okay, today is which date? 8. जी ये भी देखना
Sir,
पड़ेगा.
today is 8th of August.
8 Saturday. Okay. So tomorrow is Sunday. Okay. Okay. Iram Rizvi is there. So there was one day in the July. As you can see, in July there was one day when there was no one. 25th of July. Okay. So on 25th of July, what happened? I joined the class and I waited 5 to 8 minutes. No one joined the class. So I just end the class.
Okay, sir.
Yes. But finally, if you are here today. Okay. So I think you are not sending the recording because of the mobile phone. Okay. Because you don't have the mobile phone.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, because I can see in this
My phone,
tracker.
I myself send the recording. I also know that it is I'm missing very important activity, but it is my very huge problem of device, so I can't
Okay,
manage.
so yes, I can see here like Mr. Hamdan is consistent from the last 2, 4, 5, 6 days. Okay, and no one is consistent there. Yes, Mr. Nur Muhammad is not there, and Madhya Chaudhary she only sent 2 days, and today also she sent the recording. Okay, today. Today I also got the recording, and she sent two recordings. But no, if today you are sending, so it is for today. only, because consistency doesn't mean like you are going to do the entire month's task in one day. What do you think?
Yes, sir. Consistency doesn't mean that you do
Yes,
entire task.
consistency means you are going to read only one paragraph, but for the entire month. This is called the consistency. It doesn't mean like you are not going to read and you are going to just read one day 50 page or 20 page. No. Okay, so
Sir, what we
yes,
do today?
yes,
I'm asking that what we do today.
yes,
Am I audible?
yes, yes, you are audible. I am able to listen. Please tell.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm asking that what we will do in today's class, like reading grammar or just reading news or focusing on speaking part.
You can suggest what we can do.
Sir, what you prefer best, we can do that thing. I'm comfortable in anything.
Okay, good. So then let me see it. So first we have completed our 10th chapter, making question sentences. We have completed this chapter, and chapter 11, which is about the model verbs, could should, which we are reading right now. Okay, and the
Yes,
chapter 12, which is about the parts of speech. So fifth, demonstrative pronoun and main verb and has, have, all these you have given the test. Okay,
yes, sir.
fifth and sixth and seven. So now we will do the test for chapter 8, 9 and 10. Sentence framing, pronunciation and making question sentences. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. So let's start today reading the news vocabulary.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Who is there? Madiha is trying to join, but I think this is not perfect time to join right now, because right now it's 9:43. 9:38. Okay, so let's start. Where is the news? So yes, this is the news which we are going to read today. Maharashtra FDA.
Okay, sir.
So there is a one IAS officer who is in trending. Like I don't know you are aware about it or not. मुंडे करके कुछ नाम है, क्या नाम था यार, मैं भी भूल गया. Maharashtra FDA permanently cancels Pune-based pharma firms license over six contaminated medicines GMP lapses. Okay, so this is the heading. Let's read this news. The inspection revealed incomplete manufacturing records, poor hygiene, inadequate quality control systems, and the omission of ingredients is specified in approved Ayurvedic formulations. Okay, so yes, this was the heading and image of representational purpose only. So yes, Iram Rizvi, you can start reading from there this paragraph. The Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Now this is visible.
The Maharashtra, yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay.
The Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration FDA on Thursday, August 6, 2026, permanently cancelled the Ayurvedic medicine manufacturing license of Pune-based Inducare Pharma Pvt Ltd. After six medicines failed quality tests, with some found contaminated with fungi, insects, and larvae, and widespread good manufacturing practice GMP violations.
Okay. Yes. Next.
This action was taken after the manufacturing facility was inspected twice. The inspection revealed incomplete manufacturing records, poor hygiene, inadequate quality control system, and the omission of ingredients specified in approved Ayurvedic formulations. According to the press release, the FDA said these violated provisions of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 rules, 1945, and GMP requirements.
Okay. Yes. Good. Amazing. The company failed to provide a satisfactory explanation despite a show cause notice, a hearing, and a joint inspection. It added. Providing citizens with safe, quality, and effective medicines is the top responsibility of the Food and Drug Administration. तुकाराम मुंडे ठीक है his IS officer name is Tukaram Munde. Commissioner FDA Maharashtra drug manufacturers are legally bound to strictly adhere to the drug and cosmetic act 1940, its rules and GMP standards. Strict regulatory action will be taken against any manufacturer showing negligence regarding drug quality, Mr. Munde said. And medicine samples. Okay, wait. Medicine samples were sent for analysis, which revealed that a total of six medicines were not of standard quality NSQ. Okay, not of standard quality medicines and had severe defects. According to the statement, samples of Sinhanand or Google and Punarna Wadi Mundhur and fungal growth and failed the microbial limit test. Samples of Hengua's tech and Churna and Tripala Churna contained insects or larvae and other foreign impurities. Other samples of medicines like Tripala and Google. इतना बड़ा एड मुझे क्यों दिखा रहे भाई अभी Okay, so I hope this is enough for today. Let's understand this article. Okay, let's understand. So, Maharashtra FDA permanently cancels Pune-based pharma firms. So, Maharashtra FDA. Do you know what is the mean of FDA? What is the full form of FDA? Yes? No?
Uh, no, sir.
Okay, so FDA means like Food and Drug Administration. अभी हमने देखा ना न्यूज में नीचे FDA means this Food and Drug Administration. ठीक है, ये है FDA होम पेज. Food and Drug Administration. Food and Drug Administration. So if you are going to see it, this is Tukaram Munde. This is the person, Tukaram Munde, Commissioner of FDA. परमानेंटली कैंसिल्स पुणे बेस्ड फार्मा. उसने एक फार्मा को, पुणे बेस्ड एक फार्मा को का लाइसेंस उन्होंने कैंसिल कर दिया. फर्म्स लाइसेंस्ड. फर्म मतलब कंपनी होता है, आपको पता है. डू यू नो अबाउट इट? फर्म.
Yes, sir.
Yes, firms license over 6 contaminated medicines. फार्मा का जो कंपनी है उसका लाइसेंस क्यों कैंसिल किया? बिकॉज कंटेमिनेटेड मेडिसिन. कुछ ऐसी 6 मेडिसिन वहां पे मिली थी जिसमें कुछ चीजें मिलावट थी या खराब था या जो भी हुआ. सो कंटेमिनेटेड. डू यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ कंटेमिनेटेड?
Yes, sir. Polluted, infected, impure.
Yes, impurity. It is called contaminate, impurity.
Contaminate.
Contaminate. So to add a substance which will make something dirty or harmful. ठीक है? Dirty or harmful. Contaminated medicines.
Okay.
Yes, GMP lapses. What is the meaning of GMP? Good manufacturing practice. GMP means like GMP most commonly stands for good manufacturing practice in manufacturing food and pharmaceuticals, or gray market premium in finance and stock markets. Okay, so these are some terminology related to the market like good manufacturing practice, जिसमें अगर कोई भी कंपनी कुछ मतलब प्रोड्यूस कर रही है, कुछ बना रही है, सो ये एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये एक चीज है जो उसको चेक करता है कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में मतलब वो चीज कैसी है, कुछ डिफेक्ट्स है, कुछ कंटेमिनेटेड चीजें हैं, प्योर है कि नहीं है, लोगों के लिए मतलब यूजफुल है कि नहीं है. आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So GMP lapses. What is the meaning of lapses? LAPSES, lapse. Okay, I think lapse. It is lapse.
Lab, sir.
Hmm.
I think that fail होना.
Yes, lapse. हाँ.
Lapse.
Yes, जैसे है collapse, गिर जाना, उसी से lapse. LAPSE, lapse. A short time when you cannot remember something or you are not thinking about what you are doing. Lapse. Or a period
a
of time.
temporary failure.
Yes.
Lapse means a temporary failure.
Lapse. Okay, yes, a temporary failure. A period of time between two things that happen. Or she returned to, yes, कुछ भी हुआ है उसको लैप्स बोलते हैं. ठीक है. यस, फेल होना. ठीक है. जीएमपी फेल हो गया ना, लैप्स. जीएमपी लैप्स मतलब यहाँ पे जीएमपी का मीनिंग जो भी था ना, गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, क्या था? The inspection. Okay, the inspection. So do you?
Manufacturing practice, I think.
Yes, inspection. Inspection means?
Inspection means जांच करना.
जांच करना. Yes, inspection means check करना, जांच करना. द इंस्पेक्शन रिवील्ड उसने डिस्क्लोज किया, बताया इनकम्प्लीट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रिकॉर्ड्स। मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रिकॉर्ड जो है वो इनकम्प्लीट है। पुअर हाइजीन बहुत ही ज्यादा पुअर है, और इन एडुकेट क्वालिटी। इन एडुकेट मीन्स
प्रॉपर ना होना।
inadequate. Yes, proper noun. Okay, mean not enough, not good enough.
Insufficient.
Inadequate.
Inadequate. Okay.
Inadequate.
Insufficient.
Inadequate.
Inadequate. Okay, so quality control systems and the omission of ingredients is specified in approved Ayurvedic formulations. Omissions means क्या है? Let's see. Omission. Control system.
Omission means किसी चीज को रोकना होता है सर।
Omission. Okay. Omit से है क्या? There was civil omission. Omission. And omission is the act of leaving something out. Okay. Rokna hi, yes, something. Like omission is the act of leaving something out.
Exclusion.
Disposal.
भी कहते हैं।
Yes. Control system and the omission of ingredients. Ingredients.
Exclusion सर।
Huh?
सर मैंने बोला ओमिशन का एक सिनोनिम एक्सक्लूजन भी होता है।
अच्छा. Okay. Omission. Okay, omission, leaving something. Okay, omission is specified in approved Ayurvedic formulations. ठीक है, सो वही रोका गया है। और ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स स्पेसिफाइड, जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स उसमें स्पेसिफाइड किए गए थे इन अप्रूव्ड आयुर्वेदिक फॉर्मुलेशंस। ठीक है, सो यस, आई होप यू गॉट इट। मतलब समझ में आ गया कि इस पैराग्राफ में क्या है। हाँ, गॉट इट? यस, नो?
Yes sir, got
Okay. Image of representational purpose. The Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration (FDA) on Thursday, August 6, 2026, permanently cancelled the Ayurvedic medicine manufacturing license of Pune-based Inducare Pharma Pvt Ltd. ये कंपनी का नाम था, ठीक है, Inducare Pharma. After 6 medicines failed quality test, with some found contaminated with, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? FUNGI.
fungi.
Let's see. अबे भाई प्रोनाउंसिएशन दो। फंगस दे रहा है,
Fungus.
ये तो फंगस दे रहा है, इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं?
सर हमें तो टीचर ने
फंजाई पढ़ते हैं।
सिखाया था।
ओके, आई थिंक बायोलॉजी में आपने पढ़ा होगा फंजाई। ओके, फंगस, यहाँ पे फंगस दे रहा है।
Fungus.
मैंने उसको फंजाई पूछा है, फंजाई। ओके, कंटेमिनेटेड विथ फंजाई एंड इंसेक्ट्स एंड लार्वे। इंसेक्ट्स तो कीड़े हो गए, अब लार्वे क्या है? लेट्स सी। ओके, ए लार्वा इज द एक्टिव इमेच्योर। ओके, कीड़े के जो बच्चे होते हैं, आई थिंक, है ना?
यस सर, उसका फन गाय बता रहा है। मैंने चैट जीपीटी से प्रोनाउंसिएशन निकाला, पता नहीं आपको आवाज आएगी या नहीं आएगी।
अच्छा, फंगाई जी, फंगाई।
यस सर, फन गाय।
ओके Okay, let's see. And larvae. सो ये इंसेक्ट्स एंड लार्वे, ये लार्वे जो कीड़े के बच्चे होते हैं वो, एंड वाइड स्प्रेड
Yes, sir.
गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रैक्टिस जीएमपी वायलेशंस। गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रैक्टिस जीएमपी का वायलेशन हुआ था, ठीक है। वाइड स्प्रेड मीन्स,
Okay. पूरी तरीके से फैल जाना।
वाइड स्प्रेड, स्प्रेड मतलब फैलना ही होता है, यस। Found or happening
Widespread.
over a large area or affecting a large number of people, okay,
Widespread.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Extensive.
widespread. Good manufacturing practice GMP violation, and this action was taken after the manufacturing facility was inspected twice. 2 बार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग को इंस्पेक्ट किया गया था। द इंस्पेक्शन रिवील्ड इनकम्प्लीट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रिकॉर्ड्स, और जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का जो रिकॉर्ड्स था वो भी इनकम्प्लीट था, ठीक है, वहां पे पूरे डेटा उनको नहीं मिले, और पुअर हाइजीन मिला, इनएडिक्वेट क्वालिटी कंट्रोल सिस्टम मिला, एंड द ओमिशन ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स, और ओमिशन का मीनिंग हमने देख लिया था, रोकना,
Fusion.
यस,
Yes, sir.
fusion, okay, रोकना, and is specified in approved Ayurvedic formulations, and according to the press release के according, the FDA said these violated provisions of the Drug and Cosmetics Act 1940 rules, 1945 and GMP requirements. So the company failed to provide a satisfactory explanation despite a show cause notice. कंपनी फेल हो गई, ठीक है, उसने सेटिस्फैक्ट्री इंफॉर्मेशन और एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं दे सका, इसलिए उनके लाइसेंस को कैंसिल कर दिया, ठीक है। कॉज नोटिस ए हियरिंग एंड ए ज्वाइंट इंस्पेक्शन इट एडेड। Okay, let's read this paragraph also. Providing citizens with safe, quality, and effective medicines is the top responsibility of the Food and Drug Administration. It is easy, no hard work is there. And Tukaram Munde, Commissioner FDA, Maharashtra drug manufacturers are legally found to strict adhere to the Drug and Cosmetic Act. Do you know the meaning of adhere? Adhere.
अध्ययन मतलब वो होता है आज्ञाकारी होना, मतलब
Yes, मानना,
मानना, ओबे करना।
obey करना, yes. ADHERE, adhere,
Adhere.
adhere, okay,
Yes, sir.
Adhere.
adhere. To stick firmly to something, मतलब वही मानना, follow करना. To the Drug and Cosmetics Act 1940, its rules and GMP standards, strict regulatory actions will be taken against any manufacturer showing negligence regarding drug quality. Mr. Munde said. It is enough?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we can move on next part. Okay. Oh. अबे यार, wait 1 minute. Okay, now I am here.
Okay, sir.
So yes, we have done our newspaper reading, and then what we can do now? Okay, I have one idea. So now we are going to just listen 5 minute news. Okay, it is good.
Yes, sir.
It is okay, or you need
Yes, sir.
leave. So which have you listened any English news, or which news channel you prefer? Listen, I am talking about English news, not Hindi.
No, sir. I don't listen news. When I was sending a recording activity, I used to listen stories of different personalities, famous personalities live on one of the channel, Story Time English. So I prefer that because it was interesting, and I also got knowledge about different personalities, their life struggles, and also got motivated. So I listened that thing instead of news or Priyanka Chopra's speech sometimes because she speaks very well and gives so many motivational uh, things which necessary for our teenagers' life. So I like that.
Yes, this is also good. Like you can listen the personality. Okay, so sometimes like if you want to listen, you can also listen the news. So you are going to absorb the journalist how is speak.
Yes, sir.
So let's open one news and let's see what is inside this. Then we will decide.
So you seem to suggest it's real. Let me come to the psephology, the number crunchers towards this. Amitabh Tiwari, you've been doing number.
So this is the Rajdeep Sardesai on India Today. So like I listen this news like 4 to 5 months when I was in the university. Okay, now I'm also listening to him. So let's listen to him and let's
Okay.
see what he's talking about.
Vote, which
What is
is actually translating into a search for change, a mood for change.
See, I think the Gen Z vote or the youth vote has always been there. The issue has been that as you've shown, the youth population, though the population is more, but the voting population is just 22-23%. So the non-youth or non-Gen Z are higher than the youth voters. So the impact of the youth on results was not being seen. Even if we take 18 to 40, the population is just 38-40%. So 60% is non-youth in that case. However, as you mentioned, in Tamil Nadu election is a classic example where the youth, despite the lower numbers, were able to impact the result because they went out and influenced other vote blocks, which is their parents, relatives, seniors, etc., and thus created an impact. Even the 60% number which you are talking about, I have not seen in any state whether this 18 to 24 or 18 to 29 age group is voting 60% in huge numbers for a political party. I think that's first of a kind. Secondly, the impact is real because across the country, if you do surveys, in the 18 to 24 age category or 18 to 29, the discontent is highest because unemployment is the number one issue across states. So the discontent is against the incumbent governments, whichever it is, whether Congress, BJP, TMC, etc. And also the fact that this time the youth were able to impact the results is also a case study in itself, where the political parties now see that the youth, which is lower in numbers, can impact the results if their issues are not tackled or if tangible solutions are not provided to the issues raised by youth. And here the CJP protests were a no confidence both against the government as well as the opposition, because CJP is not a party, it's just a platform, it's a page, it's an Instagram handle, was able to constitute accommodate or get the support of a massive number of youth, because even the opposition perhaps has not been raising these issues, and even if they are raising, they are not able to solve those issues in their particular states where they are ruling, and they have not been able to provide tangible results. And I think one of the main causes of disconnect is that the youth representation in political parties and positions of power is very poor. We have just one minister who is below the age of 40. CWC working committee age is average age is 68. Modi cabinet average age is 61. BJP parliamentary party average is 67 and a half. So there is a huge disconnect between the youth and the political ecosystem.
Let's get that clear. Therefore, Sanjay Kumarji, what does your research show, particularly about the Hindi heartland? Because what we are seeing, particularly with both Bakipur and indeed what we are seeing happening across the Hindi heartland, is that this youth bulge, a large number of people are coming from the Hindi heartland, where unemployment levels by all surveys are much higher than other parts. Is this Gen Z factor much more a sort of Hindi heartland factor? Or do you believe it's spreading across? In Tamil Nadu, high growth rates, and yet the Gen Z went and voted for a Vijay, voted for change. Is there a Gen Z factor, real or hype according to you, purely in terms of psephology, in terms of numbers?
So when we use the two words, is it real or hype? I think at this moment it is real. But whether this is going to make an impact in 2029 election, I don't know. And for that, I would say it is a hype. But it all would depend upon how things unfold from now till 2029 Lok Sabha elections, or for that matter, how things unfold from now till the next round of assembly elections take place in, say, Punjab, UP and some other states. My own sense is that if you look at the previous elections, and I am referring to the Lok Sabha elections, it is only in 2024 we saw a decisive vote for BJP among the young voters, and I am referring to the voters who are in the age group of 18 to 25 or 26. The BJP had almost 4% lead if you look at the young voters, and when I say 4% lead, among of pattern. The state-wise pattern is not uniform, because if you look at, say, Haryana or in Rajasthan, it's not that BJP has an advantage among the young voters compared to Congress. So state-wise patterns are very, very different. You have referred to Tamil Nadu. You referred the data that overall vote share of TVK was roughly 34-35%. But if you look at the vote share among the very young voters, 18 to 22, you referred the data 60%. I think I had access to some data which also shows 65 or slightly more than that. So what does it indicate? It is not only, yes, the trigger point is unemployment, the issues regarding the Indian education system, what was referred earlier by the other speaker, CBSE, NEET, etc. But it is beyond that. If that was not the case, how would TVK...
Okay, so Iram Rizvi, I hope you are getting 70 to 80%. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Not 70 to 80. I got like 50 to 60%. We are talking about the Gen Z effect, like how Gen Zs are protesting in different states of country for their rights and for education reform. So they are discussing that it is gonna impact on future elections or not. So one of the guests said we don't know about that it will affect in future or not, but currently it is on hype. Currently it is a major issue. It is in the spotlight or the highlight. They are discussing about that. And they also mention about that like in Congress time period they got youth vote easily. It is not visible that BJP got the youth vote, especially Gen Z's vote easily in future because Gen Zs are more aware about their rights and they never fear about to raise their voice against any bad thing which they feel that it is not good for their future. So, um, in conclusion, they mean that that today's generation, which we call Gen Zs, are more aware than other generations because they just know how to stand for their rights and how to fight. And they just want their main focus was on country's development and for good things for their future, not on those things which previous generation thought like religion or caste or these kind of stuff. Then we just focus on that they got better opportunities and development, and they also got the best things like other countries Gen Z's got, like in China, Japan, their Gen Z's got so many things and they are making their future in a very good manner, and they got so many opportunities in comparing of India's are just aware because we are on social media and we explore each and every culture of
Civilization and protest
so
India against
we are very aware about the things surrounding. So this is all
Yes.
I got from that.
Okay, yes, it was amazing. So it means like you are getting most of the things what they are talking about, and yes, what's happening or what's going on there. Okay, there are some guests and they are all talking about the Gen Z and whatever that happened. And yes, there was one seat in Bihar, like Bankipur. Okay, so BJP lost that seat. They are also talking about it. Okay,
Okay,
yes, good.
sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I just want to say something that if you feel that I am making a mistake while speaking, so please correct me on that time because sir, when you correct me on that time, I remembered my mistake and I will never repeat that. I know I am making mistake in sentence framing and in using of tenses. I know my weakness, but if you feel that I am making mistake in that sentence or any particular thing which I was saying while talking to you, so please correct me on that time. So I remembered my mistake. So this is my request to you.
Okay, so now yes, I will apply it on every students from today. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, because sometimes I feel like someone is started and we are going to just uh, interrupt. So he will confused. Okay, he will forget like what I was talking and what I have to speak. But yes, this is a great and good method. Like if I'm going to correct on the spot and you are going to repeat it, so it will be good and you are not going to forget it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because sir, you are right that interrupting sometimes make confusion. But sir, when you correct me on the spot, so I will never repeat the same mistake in front of others. So this is my request to you.
Okay. Yes, so we will do it. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hmm. So now we can start our. We are not going to do a debate today, okay? Because there was a debate. I sent the topic of the debate, but if there is no one, you are the only. So we can do the debate, or what should I do? What should we do? Like you can just suggest.
Sir, no problem if you want. Sir, actually, I stop right, but what you prefer, we will do that. No problem.
Okay, so I thought like you also spoke whatever the news we listen, you spoke about it, and it was a practice, and I think you are facing some challenges. You don't have the device, so otherwise you can also send the recording, like artificial intelligence is helpful or harmful.
Yes, sir. Inshallah.
You can't send. Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you repeat?
Okay, I was telling, like if it is possible to just record yourself and send in the group about the artificial intelligence is harmful or helpful.
Sir, currently I don't have device, so it is not.
So why you are
I am
not
not-
going to record from your system or from your laptop?
Sir, I try to record from that, but it gives that it needs speaker or something else, so I can't do.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so yes, it's done. So I think now this is enough for today, and we will meet tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you. Walaikum salam. Good night.